WITSON.
Also here today, just going to show you the short video. Apologies that it's going to be short, just time's not on our hands today. Just zoom in on here. This is our 10.25 inch Android 12 system, which has got a Snapdragon processor in, and it's gone today into a E-Class NTG4, which is the two-door coupe. The frame's a little bit smaller on this. You do them for the 4-door, which is the W212, so just check our site and make sure you get the right one. Now, as I say, this is our Android 12 version here. So it comes with an 8-core processor. As I say, it's got navigation, music, phone, weather, car info. Obviously this takes you back to the original screen. I will pre-warn you that this didn't have aux or an AMI input, but we did have to go into the engineering mode, which is holding a couple of buttons, 3 buttons down here, and change over some of the settings. So just be mindful that you need an aux or AMI to have a easy changeover of the system. If you haven't got that, then obviously get in touch with us and we'll show you some information on how to switch over the aux, switch the aux settings on, because you do need to go into the engineering mode of the original NTG. So as you can see, this shows up on our system here as usual, and you would navigate through the apps as you would normally do with the command button down there, or the buttons. And to go back into the Android side, you simply hold the touchscreen or you would hold the cancel button. So navigation on this is Google Maps at the moment, which comes pre-installed onto the system anyway, because it's an Android system. You'll always get that anyway, but you can download many maps of choice, like Waze and stuff like that. Now if you do download Waze and you want to go onto this icon here, you can simply get it from the Play Store, and then all you need to do is go onto, 1 second, navigation app, just choose Waze there. And obviously next time you go over to the application side of things, no, that's the wrong one. I pressed the wrong, sorry guys, I think I pressed the wrong button. But you can change any of the maps anyway if you wanted to go onto this here. Also they got the music app here if you want to play your music on a USB pen, works with the steering wheel controls, which I'm obviously operating now at the moment. Sorry if me shaky hands today, I'm just a bit flustered with getting this video in a short space of time. We do have, this is the Bluetooth menu here, which obviously we connected the phone to anyway. Nice little weather app there if you want to basically use that. This app only comes on the Android 12, by the way. You got the car info, which I've already showed you, but as you can see, it's nice and responsive. No lag whatsoever. You got your HD video if you want to put any films onto a flash pen, watch it there. Phone link, which is the CarPlay app. As you can see, momentarily it's just showed up, but I'll be truthful with you, we did do disconnecting on the other phone. But this is the CarPlay and Android Auto app here. Dashboard, which will take you into rev. So if I put my foot down, you can see it going up, and this is where your speedometer. Now you can change that to MPH, which we will do in a short while. Just go, or you can change the background color if you want anyway. Let's go back onto there, go into applications, so you can see this is where all the apps go into, like so YouTube, Waze, Netflix if you want to download it. There's the Z-Link app there, Google Maps, there's your Play Store icon, so if you want to download some applications, you can easily just go into the Play Store and see nice and quick on there. So here you go, little short video for you guys, just under 4 minutes, hope it's all right for you. Any questions, give us a shout. Also comes in 12.3 if you want the biggest, best, is that what you believe in. Okay, I'll draw it to a close. Have a nice day, I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.
WITSON.